Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Last week I had my new granites installed. As you can see, I'm still in the process of renovating my kitchen. I still have to do the sheetrock, but I wanted to talk about granite sealer. So if you just had granite or quartz or Dolomite installed, one of the things you're going to want to do is you're going to want to seal your countertop. It says to leave it on there for 1 to 2 minutes, so I'm going to do that. The reason why it's important, as I mentioned earlier, is that because the stone is porous. And if you drop a glass of red juice, red wine, there's a good chance it'll go into stone. It will stain your stone. And you want to protect that because we pay a lot of money for granite or quartz or whatever other stone that you have. You definitely need to protect your stone. This you can purchase for under $25 on Amazon, and I have the link below in the description. Thank you so much for watching.